Amazing! Next up, we have Harrison, who will be playing guitar and singing a tune by Bob Marley.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Oops. Okay. Sorry about that. Yep. Here I go. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning,